Okay, here we have test 5. This is math module 1, question number 21. So in this problem here, I would try two things that I always try. The first is to plug in the answers. Obviously, we don't have any. And so the second one is to use Desmos. So I'm going to take this formula here and I'm going to plug it into Desmos. I've already done that here just to save some time. But what you see is that we get an error because we have an extra variable, and so we are going to need to add a slider. When you add that slider for that second variable, you're going to notice that in the problem, I'm really trying to figure out something that I actually can't do here, right? So looking at the problem, just go back to that for 1 second, right? We see that we are trying to find where g of x passes through the point x equals 24, right? Y equals 0. So if we look back at our Desmos graph, we see that we actually can't see where x equals 24, right? If we zoom out here, okay, we can't slide this enough such that we can get the x to be 24. So what we need to do is just click on the slider, and here we're going to make this, let's just say 25, and what that's going to do is now allow us to move this over, and if we see here where we can get it to be 24, right, we know that if we zoom in now, right, we're at there, that point 24, comma 0. Okay, so we know that here we get the t is 24. But that's not what they're asking us for. If we go back, right, we see that it says, what is the value of g of 0 in this graph? Okay, so we need to take this graph and find what g of 0 is. So, so we come back here and we notice that we're going to have to zoom out and out and out, and we're going to want to find the point where we cross the x equals 0, right? That's where we are right here. And if we scooch it right there, and we can zoom in if we want to make it a little bit easier, right? We see that the point 0, comma 336 is the point where our x value is 0, right? We're plugging in the 0 for g of 0, and that is where the g of x would then be 336, hence our answer to number 21.